Thank you guys for tuning into Simply Dole, your online resource for Dole lessons. My name is Manbir, and in this video lesson, we're going to cover sequences of Da. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to play Dole, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. I know that some of the material that we covered in the previous videos may seem simple to tenured players, but these basic techniques train your muscles and are excellent for muscle memory. What I want you guys to take away is, when you look at bowls on a piece of paper, what you're seeing might not translate exactly on Dole. When you understand motions and how to produce different sounds by stick control, a lot of the movements will start to flow more effortlessly and it will help fast track your progress. Now, let's take a look at these exercises. In the first exercise, we're going to play Da with all full strokes. Each strike comes down with the same velocity and the dynamic levels are the same across all movements. Here's exercise 7A. In the second exercise, we start with a downstroke and then go into a series of tap strokes. What you notice on the screen is that I kept the last strike as an upstroke because if you were to loop the sequence, the last Da will set you up for the subsequent downstroke that is on the sum. The sum is the first beat. Let's take a look at exercise 7B now. In exercises 7C and 7D, we're adding more downstrokes into the mix. 7C splits the measure into two parts consisting of a downstroke followed by two tap strokes and then an upstroke. 7D just alternates between downstrokes and upstrokes. Let's take a look at both of these now. The last two exercises that we're going to cover include crescendos and decrescendos. A crescendo is an indication to gradually increase the volume of what you're playing, whereas a decrescendo does the exact opposite and you're going to be decreasing the volume of what you're playing. Here are the last two exercises. Now that we have covered all of the exercises, you might be asking, how do these fit into my playing? Well, that's a very good question and I'm going to show you how. In the first example, I'm going to start with a tora, play a sequence of jal, and then finish with exercise 7A. Example 2 follows the same pattern, but we're ending with exercise 7D. Let's take a look at these now. In the next couple examples, we will apply crescendos and decrescendos to a sequence of DAWs to illustrate how you can use something so simple to create great transitions. However, I want you guys to keep in mind that these are not limited to just transitions and can be applied to grooves as well. Like the other lessons, I'm going to be posting the Da exercises in this video separately under the exercises and rudiments playlist, so that way you can go through each of these exercises until you've mastered them. This is the end of the lesson, but before you guys go, if you found this video useful and you want to see more Do lessons, hit that like button because that's how I gauge your interest. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.